how you can fix all of your Windows Update problems in Windows 10 or 11. So first what you need to do is open File Explorer on your device and go to this PC. Here you are going to choose local disk C and then click on Windows. And here you can scroll all the way down and look for software distribution. Then just double click on it and you have to delete all of these folders from software distribution. So select all the files and click on delete. Then click on continue. Once you've deleted all the files, you can close this window. After this, you have to go on search bar and type in troubleshooters and then click on it. Here you have to go to other troubleshooters and here you will find Windows Update. Then just click on run next to it. Here it will detect all of your problems if you are having any issues with Windows updates. It might take some time depending on your problems. Once this is done, you can close all these windows and then restart your computer. Now after you've restarted your device, you can click on the start menu and look for CMD, which will show the best match command prompt. Now here you have to go and click on run administrator. Make sure that you don't click on open but in run as administrator. And then click on yes. Now here you have to type in sfc /scan now. This is the feature provided by Microsoft which completely scans your device. And if there is an issue with the Windows or if there is a bug, this will scan it and solve your problem. After you've typed it, you can click on enter. Now this process will take some time, so you need to be patient with it. If there is any issue with your device or if there is any bug, this will scan it and fix the problem. After completing this process, you have to restart your computer. After you've restarted your device, the final step that you need to do is go on Start menu and click the right button, then hit the Run button. Now here you have to type services.msc and click on Enter. And in this Windows, you have to look for Windows Updates. So you have to scroll all the way down and look for Windows Update. And here you have to click on it. And here make sure that you click on the Start button. After the process is complete, your Start button will turn gray. Now click on OK. And after that is done, you can right click on Windows Update and then restart it. Now once this is done, you can scroll all the way up and then look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now you have to see if it is manual or on automatic. If it is manual, you can do a right click on it and click on Start. And after this, it will be turned into automatic. Now these are the only steps that you need to follow. Now the only thing that you have to do is go on search bar and look for Windows Update and then check for updates. After you've updated the device, you can now install all the new updates on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful.